Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success. Today I would like to talk to you a little bit about courage. So maybe there's something in your life that you would love to do, but you just don't have the courage to do, or it fills you with fear and doubt. So I had a few people ask me how I set my business up, how I find the courage, because that's what they would like to do. So I have a few tips to share. First of all, it's completely normal to feel fear when you think about or consider changing. Remember, as humans, we are hardwired to be kept safe, which means chemicals are released as a danger signal, and we normally interpret these as fear, anxiety, or doubt. Then what happens as humans, we put stories on the feeling and we give ourselves lots of reasons and excuses, and we justify why maybe it's not the right time, why we can't do this, maybe we'll wait till we have more money or we have more time in our busy calendars. Yet here's the thing, the perfect time never arrives in life, and I can guarantee you will have an obstacle, a challenge, or a hurdle that will come in to test you. So what I suggest is this: if you do want to step up, you want to find the courage, write down exactly why you want to do the thing you want to do. So let's imagine it's setting up a business. Why do you want to do this? And ultimately you ask yourself why several times until you can get to a really clear heart-based feeling. The feeling has to excite you and inspire you, because that's what's going to be the fuel to go through when you find hurdles and obstacles, as you will. Then I suggest you look at every option of this new business. What's the worst case scenario that if you did this and it went wrong? What are the benefits of setting up your business? What are the benefits of staying where you are? And what are the disadvantages of staying where you are? When you write these down, you can see all your fears in a slightly different manner and a different perspective. So that may help you get more clarity. Then write a clear plan. Our brains love clear written plans. It's been proven to help us have a better memory, keep more focused on what we're doing, and just to see things at a deeper perspective. So create a plan, a step-by-step plan of how you are going to make this happen. So those are the two most important things to do. And lastly, you're going to have to find courage. Courage comes from within, and you'll have a better chance of finding the courage when you've done the steps that I've been talking about. But remember, you have to step through that fear to ever get to the next level in your life. And I guarantee when you make that clear-cut decision and you go for it, you will free up about 50% more energy, because before you've made the decision and you've backed yourself, about 50% of your energy is going on about why you shouldn't do it. Maybe it's not the right time. So your focus is split. When you make that clear-cut decision, you know that you've got to make it work, and you've got all this energy that's now freed up to help you walk forward and take those purposeful, intentional action steps to make your new venture succeed. And now that everything else is gone, as I say, you've got 100% focus. Stick to your why, and also it's important that you keep clearing any of your beliefs and thoughts that are trying to hold you back. And obviously that's where I come in. So if you need some help finding your courage to set up your business, take the next step in your life, then please reach out to me. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success.